How to fix Windows Update error 0x800B0110. Windows Update Troubleshooter is an inbuilt tool designed by Microsoft to automatically identify and fix problems related to Windows Update. This tool can detect and rectify a variety of issues, making it a primary solution to consider. Wait till the scan is finished. You will be provided with potential causes so you can proceed with fixes. If no suggestions were given, proceed with the solutions below. Open NOTEPAD. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now right-click on that file and click on Run as Administration. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, the media creation tool can be used to upgrade your system, acting as an alternative to standard updates.